Hi all, it's Yanique Designs with a tutorial on how to adjust your face mask. For each package that is sent out, there are instructions, there are care instructions, and instructions on how to adjust your face mask, whether it's too loose or too tight. Oftentimes I get questions with person asking, I still don't know how to do this. Or I'll get persons messaging me that, hey, it's a little bit too loose or it's a little bit too snug. 9 out of 10 times I can guarantee you it's a simple issue of adjusting your mask strap. And I know for some persons that they don't read the instructions. They get the paper in there and they just toss it. I mean, you're used to getting all these fillers in your packages anyway, so you're probably thinking it's just another pile of useless information. No, it's not. It's the care instructions, it's the how to reach me, it's the how to adjust your face mask. So read the instructions in the packages when you get them, please, please, please. But it's okay. Even if you don't, or you threw it away, or you don't understand, I am perfectly fine with you sending me a message on Etsy or sending me a message on Instagram or Facebook, wherever. Email. I do have persons who email me. So just send me a message and I will respond as soon as I get it. And I have no problems with working with you and helping you to have customer satisfaction. All right, so I know my background is kind of plain and normally it's festive, it's bright, it's colorful. I do not have a studio right now. We moved from one state to another, and we live in an apartment until we find a home. So I do not have a dedicated studio, and it feels kind of weird because I'm used to having a studio that's exclusively mine. There are no children, there is nothing but me and what I love to do best, my area to create. But you know what? I'm fine with that. It is what it is. I'm rolling with the punches, and hopefully soon I'll be able to have a studio again and I'll be able to set it up the way I want. But enough of that. So we're going to get into this adjustment. So in the instructions it says to pull, if the mask is too loose or too tight, to pull the elastic out of the casing. I think this is a little bit too dark. This is one of those masks from the Let Me Breathe, I Can't Breathe collection. And let's see if this one will work. This one may still be a little bit too dark. This one is from the Black Power collection. Let's see. Okay, perfect. This color works just great. So this one, so here we go. So the casing, this right here is the casing. Okay, this right here is the casing. So the instruction says to pull the mask out, the elastic or the string or whatever it is out, and adjust. So you're going to pull it out and there'll be a knot. So all you're going to do is you're going to untie the knot. Okay, so you're going to untie the knot. Sorry, my finger. All right, so once you untie the knot, you're going to tie another knot. So if it's too loose, you're going to tighten. So you're going to pay attention and make sure that when you tie it, it's the strings, the tail is longer than the one that you removed. And if it's too snug, you're going to loosen it and then you're going to shorten the tail. All right, so this is how you tie. So you pull it out the casing, undo the knot, under, and then over, and then tighten. And then you're just going to pull it through. And if it's too loose or too tight again, once again, you're shortening or you're lengthening the strap to adjust to fit your face, to conform to your face. Because even though it's a medium, this is the size, and based on your face shape, when you get it from your package, it may be just a little bit too snug or a little bit too loose. So here we go. Undo the knot, pull it out the casing. This groove right here is the casing. You're going to pull until you see your knot. You're going to take it out and then cross, under, okay? Then you're going to do the same thing again on top. Cross, under, and then you're going to pull these two ends, tighten, and you're ready. Once you do that, then all you're going to do is you're going to pull it right back through the groove. All right, so I'm going to do one more knot because this one still may, you know, you may pull it out and realize, okay, that's a little bit too much. So we do this option right here. You pull both tails together and you're going to do this number right here. Okay, let me do it the easy way. Okay, so you're going to do like this, right? And you're going to form this nice little O. And you're going to put the two tails through this O. There we go. Through the O. I promise you, it sounds complicated, but once you get it, it really is relatively easy. Actually, I think I find both, but so there you go. So now you're going to have this. So when you do this, chances are the knot will be too big to go through the casing, but that's fine. So it'll work and it'll fit right behind your ear. Okay? So that is how you adjust or tighten or loosen your face mask strap. Okay, and this mask, interestingly enough, is from a collection I'm working on that has bow tie face mask match combo. And if you go on my Etsy shop, you'll see that I have head wrap or bonnet and mask sets. So I'm working on other stuff to put on my Etsy shop. I've listed some. I've decided that I am going to start adding some of the pieces from the shows that I do. Well, there hasn't been any shows lately because everything has been canceled. So as I start doing shows again, I start adding pieces of my collection to Etsy, or you can go on my website, yaniquedesigns.com. So that's what's coming for the future, as well as I'll be working on, like I said, the face mask and bow tie collection. And I'll be working on specialty face masks. I just made some for a photo shoot. So as soon as those come out, they'll be on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram so you can see what's happening with Yanique Designs. And I'll be also putting my earrings back out. So just follow me and like, subscribe, comment if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on Instagram, like, follow so you can keep up with what's going on with Yanique Designs. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my small business. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay safe.